Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 19th, 2025, and we're diving into Sportradar's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Sportradar, a leading global sports technology company, especially with their recent announcement regarding the acquisition of IMG ARENA.
Acquisition announcement and strategic impact. Let's start with the big news. Sportradar has announced an agreement to acquire IMG ARENA. John, what does this mean for the company?
This acquisition is a strategic move for Sportradar. By acquiring IMG ARENA, Sportradar is significantly enhancing its portfolio of global sports betting rights, particularly in high-demand sports like tennis, soccer, and basketball. This will not only expand their content distribution, but also accelerate revenue and adjusted EBITDA growth. Interestingly, the transaction structure is unique as it doesn't require Sportradar to pay any financial consideration, which is quite beneficial for their balance sheet.
That's fascinating. How does this acquisition align with Sportradar's overall strategy?
It aligns perfectly with their strategy of expanding their global offering and strengthening their position as a leading content provider. The acquisition is expected to be immediately accretive to their adjusted EBITDA margins, which is a testament to their disciplined investment approach.
Financial performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about the financials. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 4 cents based on a survey of 5 analysts. How did Sportradar perform in this regard?
Sportradar met the analysts' expectations with an adjusted EPS of $4. This is a positive indicator, showing that the company is on track with its financial goals. The acquisition is expected to further accelerate revenue growth, which should reflect positively in future earnings reports.
Meeting expectations is always a good sign. What are the implications for investors?
For investors, this consistency in meeting expectations, coupled with strategic acquisitions, suggests a stable and potentially lucrative investment. The company's ability to enhance its margins and accelerate growth is promising for long-term value creation.
CEO's vision and future outlook. Carsten Koerl, Sportradar's CEO, made some statements regarding the acquisition. Can you elaborate on his vision for the company?
Absolutely. CEO Carsten Koerl emphasized that Sportradar's success is driven by its extensive sports coverage, product portfolio, and global distribution network. He is confident that the acquisition will unlock new growth opportunities and accelerate revenue and cash flow profiles. This strategic move is expected to deliver exceptional value to partners, clients, and shareholders.
It sounds like Sportradar is positioning itself for significant growth. What should investors keep an eye on moving forward?
Investors should watch for the successful integration of IMG ARENA and how it impacts Sportradar's financials. Additionally, the anticipated acceleration of their buyback program could be a positive signal for shareholder returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sportradar's strategic acquisition of IMG ARENA and meeting EPS expectations highlight a promising future for the company. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Sportradar is making strategic moves that position it well for future growth. The acquisition is a game changer, and their consistent financial performance makes them an attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sportradar's performance in the comments below.